Hello guys, how to use YouTube Analytics beginners guide for 2025. So if you are struggling to understand YouTube Studio Analysis, you are not alone at all. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use analytics to grow your channel from day one to the subscribers that you actually want. So it's a beginner friendly and a step-by-step guide. Welcome back to Elizabeth channel, where I teach YouTubers how to grow smarter and not harder. So in this, everything begin from the YouTube studio. When I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't know that there's something called the YouTube studio because it wasn't attached to the YouTube. So when I started uploading my videos, I discovered that there must be a place where everything is being structured. So I came across a video that talked about the YouTube studio, and I downloaded that YouTube studio. So the YouTube studio is where everything begins. The settings, everything begins from the YouTube studio. You have your dashboard overview, you have your audience tab, you have your engagement tab, you have your revenue tab, you have your audience tab, and if it's monetized, that's when you have your revenue tabs. So in this video, I show you everything that you need to know. Now let's go to our studio where everything is being done. See you in the studio. So guys, let's go to our studio dashboard. You remember everything begin from the studio. Now this is our studio dashboard. You can see this. The dashboard overview. This is the control center of your channel. It is the control center of your channel. Now the next one is your content tab. When you click on your content tab, see how each videos perform. This your content tab enable you to see how all the videos are being performed. Then you move to your analytics. This analytics, you can see it from the beginning. It's telling you the audience. It tells you who is watching. Who is watching. Audience by watch behavior. New viewers 97.6. Casual viewers 2.3%. Regular viewers 0.1%. Popular with new viewers. This one you have 1.8k viewers, and the next one you have 636. Then you see, then when your viewers are on YouTube, not enough data to show this, then device type, the type that they use to watch your video. For example, for mobile we have 90.4%, for computer we have 4.1%, for television we have 3.8%, and for tablets we have 1.7% that watch this video. Now the age range that watch it. For example, for from 18 to 24 we have 8.8%. Then that you can see that all the ages from adulthood watch this video. Then the gender, we have male about 56.6. Oh my god, this is amazing. And then the females, they get to watch also. Female watch about 43.4%. Now the country, the geographical country, Nigeria about 14.3%, United States about 4.4%, and South Africa about 3.1%. You can see this is how it's showing. Everybody watches. This is how it's showing. Okay, these are the audience tabs. Then the reach tab, which is the impression. The impressions, that's the CTR and the traffic sources explained. Then the engagement tab. The engagement tab, which talk about how many people commented on your videos. The engagement tab plus the watch time plus the retention, and that is what really matters. People that engage, how many, the retention, what did they say about your videos. Then the revenue tab. If your channel is monetized, you go to the revenue tab. So how much you make and how much that comes in, that is what you will get. So the value tip that hash one merchant beginner should focus on the audience. You have to focus on your audience retention. If you want to grow on YouTube, your audience retention, if you can keep viewers watching longer, YouTube will then start pushing your videos to people that need it. YouTube will be pushing your videos to your audience that really needs these videos. So that's a quick beginner's guide to YouTube analytics. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye. See you in my next video.